Hallstatt is a charming village located in the picturesque country of Austria that enchants travelers from all over the world. Hallstatt, in the heart of the Salzkammergut region, is famous for its breathtaking scenery and rich cultural heritage. Known for its beauty and rich history, Hallstatt has become a popular tourist destination. The village itself is known for its well-preserved historic buildings, cobbled streets, and traditional Alpine architecture. The charm of the village extends to the promenade by Lake Hallstatt, where visitors can enjoy stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Whether you're planning a day trip or an extended stay, visiting Hallstatt is an unforgettable experience that will leave you with lasting memories. Natural beauty, rich history, and warm hospitality make it a must-visit destination for travelers.